Hi, this is Brandon, owner of Devil's Head Choppers, and we're going to show you how to install a coil relocation on this 2012 Fapaway.
Right here, parts included. We got one coil relocation bracket, one coil cover bracket, one plug and play coil wire harness extension,
And hardware.
one coil cover mounting bolt. Oh, I guess it's a kit. There's two bolts.
Two bolts.
And then one coil cover mounting bolt right there.
Okay.
And then four heavy duty zip ties.
Yep.
Heavy duty.
All right. Pull the wires out of the cowbell.
Yep. Right there. Retain the rubber.
We snip the zip tie stuff on the top of the motor mount. Free up the spark plug. Wire and pop them both off. Now watch, he'll twist and pull, and those things come right out. Next, pull the cover. Is that a 5/16?
Yep. And now we're gonna plug the coil harness from the coil. This is a 3/16 Allen wrench.
3/16.
Plug and play wire.
Plug and play wire time.
Enough to run under there. Plug and play.
Now we play. Push in till it clicks on the coil and on the plugs. All right, next step, pull out that screw right there. There you go. Next, loosen up these wires.
Just get it to walk through that gap.
Then, if you haven't already, remove this shift linkage right here. And we're free. And throw that hated piece of crap. And tighten this back down. That's good.
Okay.
Alright, clean our wires up, zip tie everything out of the way. Then we'll put our battery cable on and move on. And give a test start. And then it's beer 30. Is this, which side is my good side?
Turn around, I'll show you.
I'll bend over.
Yeah, there's a good side.
Oh, I got my DK shirt on today. I forgot. Oh, look at that shit. Next step. Steal the boss's spark plug wires. He'll never notice. Never notice. Yahtzee.